why you be saying check it out? You sound like the check it out man. That's where I get it from. Let's go in here. Just got my food. Word is born. Check it. Oh! Look at that, the yams, and then this is the fried. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. I'm ready. Yo, we about to get a bite to eat. We out here in the hood of Newark, New Jersey. There's our corner bodega right there. I'm still saying our. My son used to walk down here. Always get snacks from there. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here still in Newark, New Jersey, man. And oh, really? Is it oh, really or oh, yeah? Oh, really told us to come over here to Beyond Soul here in Newark, New Jersey. Soul Food. I think it's Soul Food Caribbean. We're gonna go check it out, man. But we're here on J Street and Sussex Ave. I was like, where is J Street? I used to live like 3 streets from here. Just to show you, like, I did not know this street was called J Street. Anyway, we're going right over here, man. It says Chef Lounge on the outside, Soul Food and Seafood. But once again, shout out to our man, really, for suggesting this spot. There's his name right there. There's his YouTube handle. We're going in here, y'all. Let's go and check it out. Let's walk over here and check it out. We going in to check it out. Check it out. Some of y'all be like, why you be saying check it out? You sound like the check it out man. That's where I get it from. Let's go in here. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? Let's go check it out. Check it out. There's the boss right there, y'all. She's high. How you gonna hide? Hold on. What'd you say?
The food good.
What should we get?
Oxtails, mac, cheese, and yams. On the money.
What else should we get?
Turkey chops as well. Everything
turkey
is good.
chops.
I like to eat.
Okay, how about the fried chicken?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's he say? It's on point.
Rocking, slamming, jamming.
All of it sounds good. I just had oxtails like day before yesterday.
Make you want to smack your mama.
Ooh. The one-piece catfish and sides. I'm gonna go for the yams and the. See, I ain't getting no greens though, but I gotta try the mac and cheese. Okay. What 2 sides would you get? You would get mac and cheese and the yams.
My name is Anaya Blocker. I'm the owner of Beyond Soul restaurant.
How long you been here?
I've been here since last year, July, so I think about maybe 7 to 8 months.
What are some of the challenges of being an entrepreneur in Newark, New Jersey?
I think just period, not just Newark, New Jersey, but in overall, I think it's just the critics. It's dealing with different personalities and having, especially with food. Because, people are serious about food, so you try to overcome those negatives, but also embrace the positives. And I'm absolutely learning that because, when it comes to your craft, of course you're going to be sensitive. So I feel like that has been the main thing, and just trying to please everyone, making sure that everybody is satisfied, which I've learned as well. You can't please everybody.
What are the benefits of being an entrepreneur and running your own restaurant?
Absolutely, definitely working for myself, and building my own wealth, building my generational wealth for my children. I have a family, and that's something I'm very excited about, something that I can pass on to my children. My oldest daughter, she loves to cook. As African Americans, we need to start, because we are very talented people, you know what I'm saying? And that's something that it took a while for me to tap into, because I was working for the man for a very long time.
The man?
I was working for the man for a long time, and I finally took that push to do my own thing. And God is good, because look where I'm at now, and I'm able to thrive and do what I love to do. At the same time, I'm in the community that I love.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We're gonna check out your food.
Okay.
Right. Look at this, y'all. I just got my food. Word is born. Check it. Oh, look. You know it's official. Look like it's buttered. It's got that thick piece of cheese. It got like that singed piece right there. Look at that, the yams, and then this is the fried catfish under here, y'all. Look at this. Hold up. I gotta just take this off. Hold up. Let me just tip this catfish up like that. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. I'm ready. Look at this. Look at that right there. That looks, oh, I just got a whiff of that catfish, man. Like that fried, deep fried catfish. Let's check it out. We're going in. Look, man. Look at this piece of catfish. Took about 12 minutes. They do everything fresh. That catfish meat, the crispiness, the batter is delicious. The meat tastes delicious. I need hot sauce. This is so good. Shout out to Danielle Harding. She sent me a big box. I didn't get a chance to open it, but I know it's hot sauce in there. I wish I had opened it now. Y'all give me a second. We're going to get some hot sauce. All right, y'all. We back. I had to get my hot sauce because y'all know my people's from down south. We don't play. I could have made it real. Oh, there's this catfish. The batter is so good. I'm not gonna put hot sauce on all of it. Which one is this? This Chef's Quality hot sauce. All right. Look at that meat in there. This is so good, y'all. I can't stop eating it. It came to, I showed y'all the receipt. The receipt's right here. All right, y'all, now we're gonna go into the macaroni and cheese. Let's check that out. Look at that cheese coming off it. Nice portions. It's got that cheese. You taste the mixes of cheese. And the cheese mix is delicious. I just got this big lump of cheese, man. It's melted in a way it's almost like cheesy sauce. I haven't tasted the yams yet. Scale of 1 to 10, I'm going with the 10. I'm going with the 10, y'all. From the jump. I ain't even tasted yams yet. I'm gonna take my time and do this thing right. It's not just these lumps of cheese, right? But it's also creamy. Okay, let me use my napkins, right? I had 3 napkins balled up. Somebody said, you don't know how to use napkins. You're right. I surrendered to the fact that maybe I don't know how to use napkins. They got oxtails here, fried chicken. It was so hard to choose, but I just had the oxtails the other day, so I wanted to try something different. So we went with the catfish. Now, the last thing I have to go into is the yams, y'all. Are the yams, okay? I know how to talk. Is the yams. Look at them yams. All right, y'all can tell that's a real yam. It's not AI. Y'all, it tastes buttery. Tastes like that little vanilla. Tastes nutmeggy. Maybe a hint of cinnamon. Oh, these jokers are good. I will not be eating all them yams, man. They're pretty sweet. Wow. Yo, this has been another successful spot right here, y'all. Here's the address too, in case y'all didn't get it earlier. Look at this cheese, man. Look at that cheese. This is the part that got that little burnt piece on it. Look, here we go. I done ate almost half the catfish. That catfish is so fresh. That meat, that good meaty catfish. And it's fried to perfection. I'm gonna sign off with that, y'all. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, love all of y'all. Thanks for supporting us. Also, thanks for supporting our coffee habit, hitting the $ thanks button, and giving a little extra. Once again, this your man, Matt DV. We're on to the next one. This spot is a 10. You definitely want to check it out. Your man, Matt DV, I'm out. Peace. Even though I added hot sauce, I did not add salt to this. It was that good. I'll be having that for dinner, y'all. Macaroni and cheese.